Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to insert a web URL into a picture. So I want to embed my Tune profile into the Tune logo. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use WordPress. So there's your WordPress. You can just create an account here, very simple. Okay, so once you're there, you want to write post. You want to add media. Now you can upload anything you like really by pressing add new, but I've already got some pictures in here ready for this video. So I've got the Tune logo there. I'm sure the guys won't mind me using this. Now what you do is you go to the HTML and it'll show you the code. Now there's the code for that actual picture. Press visual again. Now we want to embed my Tune URL into that picture, so it's a clickable picture. Okay, highlight it. You're going to click the link button, insert edit link. Now, that's the image URL there. Let me take that out. Okay. Now I'm going to go to my Tune. There it is. There's the HTML. There's my web page there. Tune.co. Artist Darren Claxton. Highlight that. Copy it. Okay. Back to there. Back to WordPress. And we're going to paste in that address. Add link. Now when you click HTML in WordPress, you'll see that it's extended it. So now it's got my Tune profile URL inside there. So if we just test this, click visual. Now to test it, you can't actually test it inside of WordPress. You probably can, but I've not looked at that yet. But I want to put this into my Steam It post, okay? So if we click HTML again, we're going to copy it. I want to add it to this post here that I had done 5 days ago. It's just a video montage of all my recent videos, and I want to add. See, I've put some Tune links in here. Can you see? If you see here, Tune. That's each actual song. So I want to put a link to the whole of my Tune page. So I thought I'd add it at the bottom. So obviously, to edit in Steam It, you go to Edit. Okay. Now I'll scroll right down to the end of that. I'm going to drop it under there. So I'm just going to paste that in like this. Okay. So that's the code I've just made in WordPress. And I'm going to update the post. Okay. And if by magic, voila. Okay. So now there's my post again with the added Tune. There it is. Now, if you can see, it brings up the little hand. When you hover over, this link will take you away. Hopefully it will take me to my Tune page. There you go. How cool. So that's a nice little bit of HTML coding, which I've taught myself really, and I really like to do that. So I'm going to start doing this with all my posts, because it's a really nice thing to, people like to click on pictures and stuff, don't they? So that's how you do it. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful, and off you go to create your own little bit of magic. Thanks a lot.